Hi everyone, today we will review something different, not actually a product but something that can change the looks of your iPhone but also protect it. I'm talking about phone skins from EASYSKINZ. I purchased 3 skins from their online store, link in the description. They have a wide selection of skins for loads of devices, not only phones but also consoles, tablets, laptops and so on. This is what I received inside the envelope. A leaflet with the installation link, socials and a discount code for the next order. You can get a discount if you are fast enough. Then this is a microfiber cloth in orange with the logo on it. It feels really nice at touch. This is the order confirmation and here are the skins. The first one is called Signature Pixelated Camouflage skin and looks amazing. The next one is called Luxuria Green Camo 3D texture skin with a nice texture, and the last one is called Black Matte skin. These are all 3. Which one looks the best and which one do you think I will apply on my phone? Let me know in the comment section below. For those who went for the Pixelated Gray skin, you are correct. I think that it looks the best out of these 3. Before I fit this skin, I got here a tempered glass camera protection which needs to be fitted first. I have to properly clean the camera bump and the lens, remove all the dust if possible, and then fit the glass protector. All done now, let's fit the skin. I will start with the big part. Because I fitted one in the past on a D-brand case, it isn't difficult to fit it direct on the phone. You have the option to leave the Apple logo visible or to cover it. I will cover the logo as I think it will look better, and looking at the back of the phone, anyone who has a bit of knowledge will be able to tell this is an iPhone just by looking at the camera module. And speaking of the camera module, it is quite easy to fit a skin there. Way easier than the D-brand skin I had to fit on their grip case. If you want to see the video, you can click on the card above. The next step is to fit the sides. For this I have to properly clean the aluminium frame. This is the main reason why I want to fit a skin, especially for the frame, just because the dust gets stuck between the frame and the case and in time it will leave marks. Also, there are already some marks at the bottom where the charging port is, so this skin will prevent the phone to gain any more scratches, hopefully. Starting with the bottom side, the tricky part is to align all the holes for the speaker. I managed to do it on the second try. This is how it looks. Next I will apply the skin at the top, which shouldn't be a problem. Just have a look at the pattern for it to match the back of the phone. The best way to do it is to use the antennas on the side as guide. The next one to fit is the left side, the side with all the buttons, and same as the one at the bottom, I have to match the holes for the volume button, the slider and the SIM card. You can leave the SIM card slot visible or you can cover it. Personally, I will just cover it. If you have a look at the top and at the bottom, you can see that the edges are one on top of the other. Now it could be because one or maybe 2 parts were longer, or it could be because I overstretched them, but I will try to rectify it after I fit the last skin on the right side, where the screen lock button is. This should be an easy one. And voila, all done. I did manage to rectify the issue on the left side at the top, but couldn't do it entirely on the bottom. But I am not bothered as the phone will go in a clear case, more specifically inside the case from Mirror Case, the one that I reviewed 2 weeks ago. Card above if you want to check it out. I think this skin changed the looks of my phone. It matches the graphite color of the phone as well and protects the aluminium frame against dust and scratches. It looks really nice and I like how it turned out. The link to EASYSKINZ website is in the description, go check them out and don't forget to use that discount code for 20% off your order. Thanks for watching this video, feel free to like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next one.